I'm going to show you how to rank #1 in Google very quickly for some really cool terms. I used this trick back in 2016 to get my wife to marry me. True story. I'll show you in just a minute. And it worked because, well, girls find nerdy sexy. All right, I'm just going to leave these glasses on. Not because I'm trying to be nerd sexy. I just can't see too good without them. And ladies, guys find nerdy sexy too. Don't worry. And okay, I gotta admit, maybe I didn't do this to get my wife to marry me. Maybe at the time, I did it to get her to participate in some extracurricular activities. But it worked, and we did end up getting married. So, before we check out this method of how I got this hot chick to marry me, let's first, just quick reminder, make sure you subscribe, unless, of course, you think you can get hot chicks on your own. All right, let's quit fucking around. Let's jump in. All right, so let me show you this way that I got my wife to marry me here or participate in extracurricular activities. All right, so let me show you exactly how I did this. So if we go type in most beautiful woman in Delaware, what you're going to see is my video right here and also my video right here. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I did this. This video was uploaded by a friend of mine. I don't know what happened to the video. It was all grainy, but it's still there. Then this video, of course, was uploaded by me, as you can see, my YouTube, Greg Morrison. This was done on March 11, 2016. It's been at the top of the search engine results for over 8 years now. Actually, Wikipedia just moved above this. For 8 years, it was actually #1. We're now #2, and whatever you would call this, 2 spots in #2. But we've been there for quite a while. And also, if you go to the images tab in Google, you can see my wife right here. And you can also see her over here. So she takes up 2 images in the top row. I'm going to show you how to absolutely dominate the images as well. I could have this whole top row and the whole page if I really wanted to, but we'll get to why I didn't in just a minute. But I just want to show you we can also get our images in here as well. And I'm going to show you how to dominate further. All right, so next I'm going to show you how to make this simple video. Anyone can do it. Okay, I'm also going to show you exactly what to put in the videos. And then I'm going to show you how you could also dominate the whole first page if you wanted to. So making a video like the 2 that I ranked is super simple, especially if you watch it. It's a simple video. I'm going to tell you how to do it yourself for free, and I'm also going to show you how to have someone else do it for just $5. Okay, so for the free way and for the paid one as well, you're going to need like 10 to 20 pictures of, whatever you're doing this on. You then go Google free slideshow maker. You can use any free app to create a slideshow and then just add in some music. You can do it all on these apps. And most of these apps are super simple, step by step. You then just go upload the slideshow video to YouTube and poof, you will likely be ranking on page 1 within just a few days. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, just create one for free and then upload the video. Super simple. Now, the big trick with this is that you want to make the exact keyword that you want to rank for the exact title of the video. So you at least want to have the exact keyword in the title of the video, I should say. It doesn't have to be exactly, but that exact keyword should be in the title. You'll notice I have most beautiful woman in Delaware exactly in my video title because that's what I wanted to rank for, and that's the main rule you need to do. That's it. You shoot, you score, you win. Now, if you want to make this super easy and just pay someone $5 to just do it for you as far as making the video, just do the following. So all you're going to do is go to a site called Fiverr.com, okay, Fiverr.com. You come in here and you type in slideshow, and you're going to search for people that do slideshows. Now, all these people here that you see are going to be able to create slideshows for you. Now, this guy charges 10, 10, 10, 20, but we can find someone that charges 5. Pretty simple. Let's go down right here. This guy's got 4.9 stars. Charging $5 right here. We can use him for $5. Scroll down, you don't like him, you can find other ones, I'm sure, for $5 as well. Just keep scrolling. Here's another one right here. Okay. So tons of people right here that will create videos for you for $5 within whether it's a couple hours or like a day or so. They'll do all the slideshow and music for you and all that for $5. Super simple. Done like that. All right. So what if your hot chick or guy just isn't impressed by one page 1 listing? What if you need to fill up the whole first page for them to be impressed? Well, first of all, if they aren't impressed by a page 1 listing, just one of them, well, them. But I'll show you how to do it anyways. I didn't do this for my wife because, well, she's already my wife. At this point, I'm trying to get rid of her. I don't want to impress her anymore. So why the hell would I want more page one rankings? I'm kidding. Obviously, all my married viewers understand that joke. All right, so all we're going to do is the same thing for other high authority properties. I'm going to give you some ideas and then you can take it from there. So the first thing you can do is you can upload the same video to other high authority video sites like Vimeo and Dailymotion. Of course, there's others. But you can also optimize regular high authority sites for the same keyword without video. If we go back and we search for most beautiful woman in Delaware, I want to show you something. All right, so most beautiful woman in Delaware. Now, if you didn't notice, as I scroll down here, there's actually a Medium article right here, okay? Now, this is titled The Top 10 Most Beautiful Actresses from Delaware, but Google is seeing this as so similar to the term we're searching that they're ranking it. Now, if we created one that said the most beautiful woman in Delaware, the top 10 most beautiful women from Delaware, our article would likely rank better than this one because it's optimized better. So what you can do is take sites like Medium, and we can go look at this article. You can create a little article, post it on Medium with your pictures, and I'm going to show you this is part of how we dominate the images section. You post it with your picture. Notice how short their article is. And then boom, we post it on Medium, and our Medium property can rank as well. Now stick with me because I am going to show you how to dominate that images section in just a second. But first, let me give you some other ideas for high authority sites. So, you got sites like Facebook, you got Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and all that social media crap that you can use for high authority. Just name your account, the name of the targeted keyword, and you have a good chance of ranking. Then you have other Web 2.0 type sites that are similar to Medium, like Tumblr, right? And you can do a search for sites like that. The best thing to do for a large list is just Google list of the top SEO high authority sites. And then boom, you're going to get a large list of high authority sites you can use for this. And I'm about to show you how you can dominate the images too. But first, just let me show you how to create an article with a snap of a finger if you're too lazy to write one. Now, I personally use an AI tool called autoblogging.ai, and I actually showed a video on this where I made almost $25,000 in a single month with this tool in another video on the channel, so make sure you check that out. But let me quickly show you how I create this article. Just like that. All right, so I'm inside autoblogging.ai. I like to use godlike mode, and we're just going to name this article Most Beautiful Woman in Delaware. All right. Then we're going to scroll down here, and all we're going to do is do search SERPs. Now, it says it takes 0 to 3 minutes. It actually took about 10 seconds there. All we're going to do is just kind of copy some of these articles that are, about beautiful women. And then we're going to come down here, create outline based on the competition, research SERPs. Says this takes 3 to 7 minutes, but it's likely going to take about 10 seconds. I'm going to have the editor cut from here till it's ready, though. And then, boom, here's our outline of the article we're going to be writing. We're going to click on Generate Article. And then once the article's done, it'll be in our History tab in about a minute. Now, the article they create is going to have things that maybe you don't want in there. Who cares, right? All we want to do is name the title, the keyword we want, make sure that keyword is in the article at least once, and then we're good to go. The article is going to rank. And then what we can do is add images in that article of the whatever we're trying to rank for, right? Whether it's, like the richest man in Delaware or the sexiest guy in Houston, whatever you want to rank for, the coolest teacher in, Australia, whatever. You name it, you name the image files exactly the keyword you want to rank, and then you also name the alt text the keyword you want to rank, and that's going to start littering the image section with the images of whatever you want to rank for. Okay, so not only can these articles actually rank with your content, but it can also start littering up that image section so you can fill up both sections of both the regular search results and then also the image search results in Google. So there you have it. Implement this today. Maybe tomorrow you won't be a virgin. I kid. Seriously, this is super fun. It can be super powerful, and there's a lot of really cool things you can do with this. It doesn't have to just make you a bona fide chick magnet. Just think how you could use this to get clients, right? Think outside the box. All right. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe. Talk to you soon.